Good morning, gentlemen. Today my topic is online education. Whenever we hear the word online education, the first thing that comes to our mind is Physics Wala, Unacademy, Byju's, Vedantu and other online platforms. During COVID-19, students were unable to go to the schools and colleges. Their study got disrupted. That's why schools and colleges shifted to the online mode of education. This shift has completely revolutionized our Indian education system. Now, I will be discussing the advantages and disadvantages of online education. Now, first one is advantages of online education. The major point is cost effectiveness. I will explain this by giving one example. Before COVID-19, IIT students and NEET students visited Kota to get quality education. Same like UPSC student visited New Delhi to the reputed institutions and spent lakhs and lakhs of rupees out there. But after the emerge of online education, that cost has been reduced drastically to 5 to 10,000 rupees. So it made affordable to every student in India. And second one is that improvement in the technology helps better understanding of the students through video lecturette and animations. And the third one is that students now can learn from their comfort zone, that is home. Working student can manage study as well as work together with the help of online education. And those students who live far away from the reputed university now can get quality education without going to those universities at a very low cost. Now, I will be discussing the disadvantages of online education. The first one is that prolonged exposure to the screen reduces the eyesight and hampers it. And the second one is, unlike offline education, there is a lack of competitive environment in online education. And we know that internet is not available in every part of India. For example, the remote places. There, online education can't be done. Government is taking various initiatives to promote online education. For example, e-Pathshala, Swayam and Pragyata platforms. At last, I want to say that online and offline education are best in their own way. Online education focuses on affordability and accessibility of education, whereas offline education focuses on the overall development of an individual. So, government should take more initiative to promote online education and make every student in India available online education so that they can get quality education at a very minimal price. Thank you.